Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. This is an experiment. I can see the moon just above the gable of this forever for lease office building, office house actually. But I don't know if you're going to be able to see it in the video. So I thought I'd take a shot of it anyway, because the reviews I've read of this camera, it does not take good pictures or videos in low light. And there's no way to attach a light to this thing. So we will see if this captures the moon, which is, let me move over. Get over here. Gee, I can see the tall tree with my eyes, but I cannot see the tall tree in the viewfinder, which is very strange. I can barely see the tall tree, but no moon. Alright, this is an experiment. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be. Stay cool and safe, and donate to the channel so I can buy a new iPad and do live videos, because this thing is being done live, but it cannot be broadcast live. Bye-bye for now.